good morning to all. Today, we have gathered here for the prestigious occasion of the school, the investiture ceremony, where the new members of the school cabinet are officially vested with their powers and positions. Investiture ceremony is not just about providing titles, but about conferring responsibilities to all students and to take the charge of school's cabinet and take it to the height. They decide with their leadership and decision-making skills, communication and teamwork. On this day, I am so privileged to welcome our school chairman Nancy ma'am, Principal Pushpalata ma'am, General Manager Joachim sir, Vice Principal Maya ma'am, and Headmistress Shiny ma'am, KG Principal Karthika ma'am, Program Coordinator Rashmi ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Let's start with the blessings of the Almighty. I invite Adira Suresh for the prayer. Now, let me invite our Principal Pushpalata ma'am to address you and to officially declare the names of the new cabinet members.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Leadership is not just about adorning the chair. Leadership is not just about ordering things around. True leaders are the ones who make people do more, get more, and totally change them. Respected Nancy ma'am, Joachim sir, Vice Principal Mrs. Maya V. Menon, Primary Headmistress Mrs. Shiny Joseph, KG Principal Mrs. Karthika Ranjit, Program Coordinator Mrs. Reshmi, teachers and my dear students. We have all gathered here for the investiture ceremony of the school parliament. Nothing can deter the activities of Little Hearts, be it a virtual platform or a real platform. We had conducted the school cabinet elections, elected our parliament representatives, that is the school head boy, head girl and arts club secretary. Now, it's a time to invest the responsibility of the school cabinet on them. Wish you all the very best on behalf of the Managing Director Nancy ma'am, on behalf of General Manager Joachim sir and all of us, I wish you all the very best. May you be able to do something different from all the other or previous cabinet members. Let's take it as a challenge and we expect the best out of you. And now I would like to introduce the leaders. Vismay S. have been elected as a school head boy, Samrita B.S. as a school head girl, and Lakshmi Regulal as the arts club secretary. So once again, on behalf of all of us, I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, may I invite our dear Nancy ma'am to confer the sashes and badges to our new members. May I invite our new head boy, Vismay S. to receive the sash and badge. Next, I'd like to invite our new head girl, Samrita VS. Finally, I'd like to invite the new Arts Club Secretary, Lakshmi Ragulal. The new members have officially taken charge. They should firmly believe that every duty is holy and the devotion to the duty is the highest form of worship. Now, our new head boy, Visma S, new head girl, Samrita VS, our new Arts Club Secretary, Lakshmi Ragulal, here to address you.
Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other, says John F. Kennedy. I have been in Little Arts for the best part of my life and it has taught me many life lessons. Now it's going to teach me how to become a good leader. Good morning to all. Respected Nancy ma'am, Prithulada ma'am, Maya ma'am, Shiny ma'am, Kadhiga ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Getting elected as the head boy of Little Arts was a dream come true and I'm really thankful to God Almighty for giving me such an opportunity.
As a Little Heartian for the past 10 years, I have learned far more than academics. This school has made me a better student, citizen and above all, a better person. Hence, I strongly believe that I can do my best to make this academic year an excellent one.
Me this opportunity and choosing me as the Arts Club Secretary. I promise you that I will be always sincere and active to your needs. I will pay attention to your suggestion and will try to make it happen if it is relevant. Once again, thanking you all for electing me through this virtual platform. And I assure you that I will give my best. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Now, we have come to an end of today's programs. We hope that the new leaders will uphold the values of the school and keep Little Heart School flag fly high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. I'd like to conclude my words by thanking each and every one of you for making this day a special one. Once again, thank you all.